Hello everyone. Welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at Codemode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about inside computers, and in today's class we will learn about processor, which is another hardware. In the previous class we learned about motherboard, in which we learned that motherboard is the heart of a computer system that connects different pieces together. Now, if you look at processor, it is if computer was a human, think of processor, also referred as central processing unit or CPU. You will hear the word interchangeably, central processing unit or CPU or the processor. It would be the brain of the computer. It is the single most important part of a computer. The CPU or processor processes the data. It performs all the calculations and controls most of the other components. CPU also referred as central processor or the main processor or just the word processor in the electronic circuitry. As I repeat again, it is responsible for processing all the instructions we feed to a computer. That's all in this class. If you have any question, feel free to post. Either I or someone would answer that. Please take time to solve the quiz. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I will see you all in the next class. Happy learning.